This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Catherine Turner. Huge price change. New construction. Property has just been completed. Beautiful corner lot on quiet dead-end street. Plenty of room for parking a motorhome, or to add a workshop garage on the property. Property has many upgrades, tile plank flooring throughout, Frigidaire gallery series appliances, bath vanities and fixtures both lighting and bath. Recessed shower floors with continuous plank tile. Custom kitchen cabinets and upgraded granite. Location is close to all amenities, such as shopping, restaurants and entertainment. Just off Sunshine Blvd. Please have a look at our visual tour and you will see what a lovely open concept home it is. Tray ceilings in great room and also in spacious master bedroom. For more information, review the details below or contact Catherine Turner at 954-693-0100.